When deciding between the Roborock Saros 20 and the Saros 10, you're likely wondering how they compare in everyday cleaning scenarios. Both models are designed to maintain your home effortlessly without adding unnecessary complexity to your routine. The Saros 20 enhances what the Saros 10 delivers, rather than introducing an entirely new approach. Let's examine their differences in practical terms and see how they perform in real homes. We'll begin by looking at how these robots navigate your living space. The most significant difference lies in obstacle management. The Saros 20 features the Adaptive Lift Chassis 3.0, enabling it to overcome significantly taller barriers than typical robot vacuums. It manages elevated door rails and multi-layered transitions that would typically halt other robots completely, gradually improving its crossing technique through learning. Its compact height also enables it to navigate beneath furniture like beds and couches that remain inaccessible to many competitors. The Saros 10 follows a more conventional design philosophy. It navigates standard thresholds and floor changes effectively, though it wasn't engineered for exceptionally tall obstacles. For typical residences, particularly flats or homes with even surfaces, this limitation rarely becomes problematic. With mobility addressed, let's examine their navigation and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Both units employ intelligent navigation, though with varying sophistication levels. The Saros 20 utilizes the Reactive Autonomous System 2.0, emphasizing quicker mapping, enhanced positioning accuracy, and sophisticated 3D obstacle detection. It recognizes more than 300 different object and obstacle categories and excels at avoiding items from multiple directions, not merely head-on. Essentially, it navigates more confidently around playthings, cords, footwear, and animals. The Saros 10 incorporates obstacle detection as well, identifying over 100 object categories. It performs admirably in reasonably organized environments, but tends to decelerate or pause more frequently when floors contain numerous items. Having covered navigation, let's transition to cleaning performance.
Both machines handle various floor types effectively. The Saros 10 employs Carpet Boost, which automatically amplifies suction upon carpet detection. This enables deeper cleaning without requiring manual intervention. The Saros 20 takes an alternative approach with its Triple Liftable Structure. The chassis, mopping pad, and brushes adjust vertically based on surface type. This facilitates smoother transitions across hard flooring, carpeting, and raised areas, while minimizing unwanted contact. Hair handling deserves attention too. The Saros 20 incorporates a dual anti-tangle mechanism to actively prevent hair from wrapping around the primary brush. The Saros 10 also minimizes tangles, though the Saros 20 demands less frequent maintenance, particularly in pet-friendly households. Now let's examine coverage and edge cleaning. The Saros 10 includes an auto-extending side brush that enables it to access corners, wall edges, and beneath cabinet bases. This proves particularly valuable in kitchens and confined areas. The Saros 20 depends more on accurate movement and positioning instead of extending components. It maintains good edge coverage, but achieves this through intelligent navigation rather than mechanical extension. Lastly, let's discuss ownership experience and convenience features. The Saros 20 presents the new Rock Dock system, engineered to minimize manual intervention. Depending on configuration, it can automatically empty debris, clean and dry mopping pads, and replenish water supplies. The objective is straightforward: reduced hands-on upkeep. The Saros 10 provides robust app functionality, featuring multi-floor mapping, virtual boundaries, and comprehensive cleaning customization. The app interface feels comparable between models, with the Saros 20 introducing additional automation without fundamentally altering user interaction.
Ultimately, the Saros 10 represents a reliable option for typical households, whereas the Saros 20 better suits intricate floor plans and users preferring maximum automation. That concludes our comparison between the Roborock Saros 20 and the Saros 10. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for additional content like this.